Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my style channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you a fabric haul video with 3 fabrics that I just picked up from Mood Fabrics with linings to go with them because I think I'm going to be making jackets with all of them. So the wife and I were just at the crib the other day and she was like, hey, let's go fabric shopping. So I was like, all right, cool, let's go do it. So we got in the car, went downtown LA, and these were some of the fabrics that I grabbed. This first one is a royal blue and black stripe. I love the thick lines in them because you can see it from a distance, and it's like one of those conversation pieces with your outfit. Something very bold with a pop of color and thick lines that you cannot ignore. The fabric is very soft. It's some type of woven. There's no stretch at all. And it feels really good. It's very soft, has a silky vibe to it. The lining for that is just a regular black, but the lining is really soft. If I have extra of the lining, I'm gonna make a nice button-up shirt just to have, because the texture and the feel of this fabric is so soft. Oh, also, last but not least, the wife really liked this fabric too, so she got extra for her as well. Next is my 80s, early 90s vibe fabric. This right here is a woven as well. There's no stretch to it. And when I saw it, it reminds me of the show A Different World. And I was like, that's the kind of style I envisioned when I was looking for this type of fabric. This right here is just gonna be a jacket. One of my vintage jackets I picked up a few months ago or a few weeks ago. This right here is going to be really nice, and the lining that I got for it is a nice silky grayish kind of color, so it won't clash. When you see it open, it'll look really nice. So this is my second one. Moving on to my last and final one. For those that know me, you know that plaid is like my favorite, and my favorite type of plaid is a tartan print plaid. Now this right here, I would normally use it for maybe a suit jacket or slacks, or even like just a full suit or a vest. But this time I'm going to make my denim jacket that you just saw me make like last week. I love that pattern so much, I could make it again right now. And it looks so great in that denim. I can only imagine what it would look like in this plaid right here. So that's gonna be the project for this. And the lining for it is just a real subtle salmon kind of color. I mean, you can say pink if you want to, but I call it salmon. And that's gonna look really nice together. I actually done this combination before with a vest out of this same fabric. This right here was the front of the vest, and this right here was the back of the vest. And honestly, I could wear both of them together. I just thought about that. And if I have enough of this fabric left, I have plans on making my Western shirt that I just made last week too. Now, if I'm gonna use the same pattern again, you know I have to love it. And that shirt pattern was amazing. Now, I got this dark green fabric right here for the yoke. Now, this right here would match up perfect because the greens match identical. And the green would just be for the front yoke on both sides and the back yoke, and everything else will be this tartan print. So hopefully I can get 2 projects out of this. If not, I might have to go back and get more. All right, so I think that does it. All right, I appreciate you watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at NorrisDancerFord. Until next time, see you in the next video.